my dream. I'm doing you all night. She's talking on the back. Alright, now, we're gonna do this again. We're gonna do it better. We're gonna do it better because it deserves to be done better. Why? Because it's Saturday night. It's Saturday night, and you are here, and you are alive. You can be at home or worse. We are here to celebrate life. So, what we're going to do is we're going to split this song in half. We're going to sing the first part, and then you are going to start singing when we get to the word that begins with F. What word is that? I don't think I heard you. What word is that? Okay. Now, when we get there, when it's really loud, we're going to go from there. Alright? Nick, are you ready? Okay. Here we go. I'll start you out. I want you to take it. Here. I said, hey, yo, crazy bitch. But you. I'm so good, I'm on top of it. When I'm dreaming, I'm doing you all night. Straight down the line. Hey, yo, crazy bitch. But you. I'm doing you all night.